Alright, here's a couple more. A little bit of weight, not too much. Don't know what it is. We'll find out. It's that. I still don't know what it is. It's green. Looks like kind of a head almost, but I only get the head. What is it? It's heavy, relatively. I still don't know what it is. Usually I know by now what it is. I do not know what that is yet. Looks like it's some kind of a head. Looks like a fin right there. Doesn't look big enough to be a 45 head, but it might be. One way to find out. Open it up. Built-in garbage can right there. Boom. It is a head. K-model head, that's why I didn't recognize it. Smaller than a 45 head. Now we're making progress. One K-model head, flathead. That would be a front head. Just the left side, just the right side. Right side has valves on it. Sits at an angle like that, spark plugs on the intake side. Motor mount goes here. So you know how they look. So, there's your 52 cast number, but they all have that. It's got the normal cracks going across here from heat. Normal. They also get cracked through here and they get real bad. This one doesn't look as cracked on this surface yet. Looks like it's only cracked here on this side. It's got a steel insert in there casted in for the spark plug hole. So the best way to fix this is to V this out, cut that insert out, weld the thing up solid, convert to a 3/4 depth plug because it's really a tall area in here. It's almost 3/4 inch tall. You have to put like an 1/8 inch more weld on this side, and then you'd put a 3/4 inch plug in that sucker. But anyway, so these are your valve pockets here for flowing around. So street heads are straight across like that. Race heads are angle cut. They go down like this. That's how you tell a racing head from a street head. So there you go. So this one's not too awful bad. You know, the cracks are pretty significant in here. It's still runnable the way it is, but obviously it'd be best to go in here, just minimum to go in here and V it out a little bit, weld up these two cracks, and it'll be good for a while. Because it's not cracked all the way through. You still got threads on that insert down in there. Yeah, the threads still look good on it. So, and the head has not been butchered at all through here. Looks pretty good. The gasket surface looks nice. So it's actually a pretty nice head. And it has all the fins on it, which is really a plus these days. All the fins are there and not broken. So that's a big plus. So that could be a nice head. So there you go. Looks pretty good.